Hi, everybody. I'm here to tell you about our listing in Carlton Woods today. This is a property that we're extremely proud of, and I want to just give you some insights about that property as if you were there. So this is a special opportunity and our first time doing something like this. We're calling it a virtual open house, and everybody's invited. It's not every day you get to see a property like this in a gated exclusive luxury community in the Woodlands. So we want to give you some of the behind the scenes information. Let's get started. I'm going to share my screen and share with you, first of all, a video showing the open house that we have recorded previously with a movie recording, and we'll get started right now. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. It is certainly a beautiful property, and I wanted to give you some information that's kind of behind the scenes about it now that you have a cursory introduction to it. So there are several updates that have been made to the property. These current owners purchased a home that was very basic. Although this was a custom home, it just didn't have a lot of the updates that we are used to seeing in properties today. So I'm going to share with you those updates now. Okay, I'm going to pick it back up here with the front of the home. I am showing our 360-degree tour of this property. This is a very cool tool. Anybody's able to go on to HAR or even Zillow, I believe, and navigate the property just as if you're using the 360 cameras you see on Google. But this is a great way to see the home for more than it is just in pictures, because you actually get an understanding of the layout. And you get to scroll and see ceilings and floors and all kinds of details that you cannot navigate just in a picture. But this is the entry of the home. A lot of these brick pillars were pre-existing, and they were upgraded to Chicago brick that is found throughout the home. It is authentic Chicago brick. So we're talking about brick that's over 100 years old. And in addition, you'll also see some features such as these hand-hewn oak timbers, and those can be also found in the dining room. And the floors are heart of pine, so they are also almost 200 years old from the barn that they came out of, but the trees that they originated from would have dated back to the 1400s, and those trees in themselves are no longer in existence. It's impossible to pick up this wood at any kind of lumber store or flooring store. It is reclaimed only, and it is extremely rare and expensive. So the home has this extensively throughout the downstairs, and it's incredibly hardy and durable, allowing you to have a very comfortable and authentic setting for your luxury property. And as you scroll through the home, you'll also see that it's an open floor plan for entertaining, including the dining space. And then you have a great view out to the pool from your dining space and the large lot that it sits on. And we'll come back outside of here in just a few minutes. As we continue into the other living spaces, you'll see that one of the things that has been updated is also this wet bar area. So originally this was kind of like a desk space, but don't worry, we still have a study. And this has been updated with custom cabinetry. We have a wine fridge. In fact, there's 2 wine fridges in here, an ice machine, a sink, marble countertops, custom backsplash. And we also have some of those authentic touches that we're used to. Going back towards the entry, we also have the study, which is very large, has those hand-hewn oak beams and built-ins, as you can see here in the left and right sides of the entry. That is something that you can't see in the pictures online because, of course, they're one-dimensional, and that's one of the benefits of taking this tour together. You are able to retrofit, I'm sure, a door in here or 2 for potentially French doors if that's your preference, so you can have a closed-in office. As we continue through the wet bar area, we're going to go through this area and you'll actually get to a little nook that accommodates wine. And then you're out into the den area where we have those pine floors again. And we have the travertine floors in the kitchen, which is open to the den and breakfast. So the kitchen has been updated with marble countertops, backsplash. We also have this gorgeous black walnut island, which is incredibly a rare reclaimed piece of wood. It has nail heads that are square still in it, which indicate that the construction of this wood originally when it was used, most likely in a different way, it was dating into the 1800s because after that, the nail heads became round. This breakfast room originally was open to the entry, and these owners have since enclosed that, creating a more private space. But what's really nice about this space is I always say you have kind of like this French quarters feel where you could go outside into this little courtyard patio area and enjoy your cup of coffee or just open the door and get some fresh air. You can also see in the kitchen, we have a wine fridge, built-in Frigidaire, refrigerator, and then we have the large farmhouse copper sink with gorgeous light fixtures, and again that Chicago brick accent that continues throughout the home, including one of the 3 fireplaces in the home is seen here. I'm sorry, there's 2 fireplaces inside the home. There's going to be another one outside. As we continue through the home, you also have, going back this direction, oops, excuse me. Let me get you back inside. We're going to see inside the home, we're going back through the dining room and into the primary bedroom on the first floor, that wing of the home. It is just a serene atmosphere with this curved wall of windows looking outside. We have door access to the pool and hot tub area. And then we are continuing into the bath. And this has been extensively updated, including the marble countertops you see here, the authentic Italian glass vessel sinks. There are 2 closets, a his and hers closet, sconces, walk-in shower, and one of my favorite accents for this space is the copper tub. So the copper tub is all the rage right now for healing properties, for athletes, or just your usual aches and pains. And it is in itself a homeopathic solution to having a more relaxing result after your bath. And then we continue back into that dining space. We're going to cross the dining room and head back towards the front of the home because I'm going to show you that we have a secondary bedroom on the first floor. And this is something that's extremely in demand as we have become a multi-generational family and family style living. So this is a second bedroom down with a full bath that has been updated, as have all the bathrooms in this home. And as we cross out these doors, actually, let me show you these doors. These doors are alder pine. So they have been upgraded from what was originally in this home, along with the crown and baseboard. So basically all of the wood trim in this home has been updated. The doors are heavy, solid pine doors with knotty alder pine. Going towards the back of the home, let's take you out that way. I'm going to cross through this space again. This is our lovely wet bar area. And we're going to go out through the den. So I'm in the den with our entertaining space. And we're going to be able to get into the kitchen. And down this hallway is a kind of a mudroom setup with storage, and also a gorgeous laundry room that looks like better than my kitchen. It has marble counters and custom cabinets in there too. And then one of the things I wanted to show you here as we cross into a different kind of medium is the outdoor area. This is located in Carlton Woods, which is a golf course community. It's located in the Nicholas course section of Carlton Woods, which is highly desirable and allows some other amenities that I'll show here shortly. But this is the outdoor area, which explains really well how large of a lot this is. It is on a cul-de-sac with a circular drive. This is a 2-car garage with a car lift in it. The owner has excluded the car lifts at this time. And then you have an additional 2-car garage here with a porte-cochere. So, but I just wanted to give you that aerial view of the property. So here's one of the freestanding, or this is the freestanding 2-car garage. And then in the background, you can see the other one. And in addition, that one has, not only is it adjacent to the home, but it has a 2-car porte-cochere. So you really easily have 6-car parking without covered parking, without having to park anything outside of one of the garages. And if you were to replicate the car lift situation in the other garage, you would have then 8-car parking. This is a covered patio porch area that I showed you that's off the breakfast. And then this is the summer kitchen that's outside as you go through the garage area, which is a really cool feature. The garage has double doors front and back. You can open it up, which extends the covered entertaining space and allows you to walk out into the summer kitchen straight from the house, and easy access from the kitchen. Or you could do it by coming in through those doors by the pool. And this area was added on by these current owners. It was not previously in existence. This is a nice cozy little fire pit area with a TV, a gas fire pit there, so you can start your real wood fire real easily. And as you can see, the lot is just extensive with this solid wall for the back property line. And we have a waterfall feature. This pool has been updated by these sellers, so you'll notice that there are some accents on it that are fairly modern, and along with the coping and the surround on the hot tub itself. There is a lifetime roof on this home. And here is a laundry room that I mentioned earlier, which is just stunning. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So that's something that everybody must have these days, is a large laundry space. This one is enclosed. It's not open to the rest of the home, so it's super private for your workspace for cleaning things, including having a sink, which makes that super easy. All of the windows are double paned, and this is just one of many rooms upstairs. All of the baths, like I said, upstairs have been updated. There are 3 bedrooms upstairs, 2 of which have ensuite baths, and one has a large hall bath. And then this is kind of a game room space upstairs. Sorry, these 2 pictures are. And this spiral staircase shot is just stunning of the reclaimed wrought iron railings. and the wood floors that you can find here too and upstairs on the landing. This is a powder bath that's right off the access that I showed you between the dining and the den leading out to the pool. So that's extremely convenient. You can find the black walnut countertop here also. And something else I wanted to share with you about the community is it is the community of Carlton Woods. And this is, like I said, the Nicholas course side of Carlton Woods. So it is located in the Woodlands. And it was designed by Jack Nicholas, the golf course itself, and then the community was plugged into that golf course. It is gated, manned gates, 24/7 community, and with a membership, you would have access to the club and its amenities. These are just some of the accolades of the golf course and what a prestigious course it is. And I think you will find a lot of residents really prefer this course, and it has held the test of time as being something that is still a destination for people in and around the community to go to. It is just an absolutely stunning area. The Woodlands is known for its trees and slight rolling contours, so it's not flat. It has definitely got some topography to it. In addition to that, you have a really state-of-the-art locker room, his and hers locker room. And you have, let me show you some of the other amenities here. I think something that a lot of people don't know is how fine of dining it has. So it has a really gorgeous club with the ability to host events. In addition to that, it has, let's see, some of the other amenities include a spa. So there is a full service spa, tennis. There is a, let's see, I know there's fitness instructors available, and you also have, it looks like pickleball has been added to one of the benefits of being a member and something you have access to. This mentions Pilates studios, and you also have a pool set up for private showing if that's what's best. So you can reach us at www.pattonteam.com, and we will continue to have other virtual open houses of our listings here in the near future. We look forward to getting to know you better through those. Thanks so much.